Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Friends, recently the CA exams results were out and results have put all the students into two different categories, those who could succeed and those who could not. Those who succeeded, all the intermediate as well as final CA students, I congratulate them from bottom of my heart, and particularly to those who were successful in adding the prefix CA to their name. And now about those students who could not achieve success in this term. Friends, I understand that it is little tough on you at this point, but it's okay. We have been facing this kind of situations earlier. So if you are a final CA student who will be writing their exam in upcoming May 2024 term, and of course you would have prepared for November 23 exams under the old scheme, under the old syllabus. The scheme has changed, the curriculum has changed, the content of the syllabus has also undergone some change, and you would be seeking definitely some guidance. So all the students who have taken up my classes for strategic financial management at November 2023 term, for them we have already provided all the upgraded and amended classes in their Google Drive, and some lectures which are yet to be recorded and uploaded. It is just on the way. You don't have to worry about that. Now I felt that even on this platform where we are having the objective of sharing knowledge and giving guidance to students, what I will do is I will premiere lots of short concept videos and explanation videos, some important case studies, some important question solutions, which is particularly coming from the new content added in your syllabus. So what you do is just stay tuned to this channel, and from January 14th 2024 you can expect a lot of content to be updated over here. So friends, I am with you in this journey, in this struggle, in this fight. We'll do it together. Do not worry at all. I wish all of you all the best, and thank you very much.